Organic Chemistry Chapter 2. Today I am going to deal alcohols, phenols and ether. So student, the functional groups is OH. It is called hydroxyl group. Hydroxyl. It is called hydroxyl group. So, the question arises that what are alcohols, what are phenols and what are ethers? So, at first we are going to discuss what are alcohols. When OH group attached with sp3 hybridized carbon atom is said to be alcohol. So let us suppose CH for methane minus H plus OH CH3OH. It is called methanol. One of the example of alcohol. So when OH group attach any sp3 hybridized carbon atom, it is alcohol. Other common and famous example of alcohol is ethanol. Ethanol, in which also OH group attach with sp3 hybridized carbon atom. So it is about alcohol. Second question, phenols. Phenols. The functional group is same. That is OH. But it is attached with sp3 hybridized carbon atom. In benzene, each carbon atom is sp3 hybridized. There is alternate single and double bond. So all the carbon atom is same, that is sp2 hybridized. By replacing any of the hydrogen atom of benzene ring, we get phenols. So phenol has particular or characteristic aroma or odor. So we recall that when OH group attach with alkane, that is sp3 hybridized carbon atom, it is alcohol. And when it is attached with aromatic ring, it is phenol. So then the third member of this chapter is ether. Ethers. It is called ethereal linkage. Ethereal linkage. When any alkyl or aryl group attached with either side of oxygen atom, alkyl group and pH phenyl group. So it is the simplest example of ether. Or pH. It is ether. So it is the introduction of the chapter what are alcohol, phenols and ether. So types of ether. It is two types. Simple or symmetrical. In which same nature of alkyl or aryl group attached with two sides of oxygen atom. So it is simple or symmetrical ether. The second one is mixed ether. The second one is mixed ether. Mixed ether or unsymmetrical ether. When two different nature of alkyl or aryl group attached with oxygen atom. So, example of unsymmetrical ether is CH3 C2H5, methoxy ethane. So, after introduction of alcohol, phenols and ether, the next topic is types of alcohol or classification of alcohol and phenol. So, classification of alcohol and phenol. It is two. One, on the basis of number of OH group. First, number of OH group. It is monohydrate, one OH group attached. It is monohydrate. Dihydrate, two OH group attached. And trihydrate, three OH group attached. The second classification is nature of hybridization of carbon atom. The second classification is nature of hybridization of C atom. It is 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree. Primary, secondary, tertiary. That is CH2OH, CHOH and COH. In this classification, the carbon atom is sp3 hybridized, but in which the OH group attached has two hydrogen atom. It is one hydrogen atom and it is no hydrogen atom. So it is 3 degree of carbon, 2 degree carbon and 1 degree. So primary, secondary, tertiary. The second classification in this group is allylic alcohol, in which OH group attached with next to carbon-carbon double bond. The carbon atom is sp3 hybridized, but OH group attached next to carbon-carbon double bond. The third one is benzylic OH group attached with benzyl group. It is 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree. The next one is vinyl. Vinyl. In this OH group attached with sp2 hybridized carbon atom. So it is all about the alcohol, phenols and ether.